Hey guys, so I'm making a video out here. Now, will this be Big Storm 11? Because I thought Big Storm videos could only be like at day. But look at this lighting. Look at this. It's kind of dark on here. Whoa. Kind of a little windy. But yeah, this might be Big Storm 11. Whoa. Might be a Big Storm 11. I'll get very close to audio hole since so loud. Because Big Storm, it was a knife you can really see, but you can see this one. Yeah, I think this will be Big Storm 11. Man, it's been 5 months since last Big Storm. It's kind of crazy. Man, this is crazy. Dude. It looks like coming from mostly over here. A little bit over, like up there. The light over there looks so cool. Whoa! Dude, did you see that, bro? Dude, this is crazy, bro. Yo. Yo. Yeah, I'm probably saying yo a lot in this video. But yeah, it's also kind of cold. Oh, it's right there. So we have those for a while, like using my old videos from like 2022. So that's pretty cool. My knee's gonna hurt. Also recording this on a Monday, which don't really like Mondays. Monday to Friday to me, like the opposite. What? Yeah, in my opinion, Fridays might be better than Saturdays. So, yo. Yeah, this lightning is getting crazy. Whoa! Oh my god. But when the big lightning's coming, I don't know where it's showing the sky. Oh. Hold up. Yo! Can you see behind? Can you see behind me? No. Yo! Yo! What in the world? My basketball goal just moved. Dude, is the wind really that strong moving my basketball goal? What in the world? Why am I seeing lights? This car somewhere. Dude, I don't know if you caught that. My basketball goal has like springs where you can like make it higher and it just move. I don't know if that was the wind or a ghost. What? How remember the wind being that strong? There's that light that I said didn't work, and that's what in my Twitch Miles video. But that's what I did. I just smelled it because I remember like I was like 5. Used to go over there and that light was on. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know if I was even alive when those lights on the fence still worked. Also, the living room right there. That might be one of my least favorite rooms. I miss a living room when it was still had carpet, because they don't even have carpet in there. But soon we will get it fixed. Yo, what's looking just down? I think it was big lightning strike. Whoa. No, I'm not gonna go out there. Because, I mean, obviously, but so let me check one of these chairs. Okay. Oh, my socks are getting so wet. Yo, look at this, folks. Yeah, we don't usually go to PE. Well, no, that's not what we go to PE. But we don't usually go outside when it's like when it's like really wet out there, a bunch of like muddy water puddles. So I'll be going outside tomorrow. Then this is definitely gonna definitely gonna cause. It might not even go on like Wednesday. Thursday and Friday might maybe go. I missed last Friday. Whoa, yo, voice crack right there. But I missed all Fridays, but last Friday I really liked. Got checked out on that day. Oh, I don't know how close this lighting is. Dude, from earlier, just like an hour ago, it was thunder is really loud. It was, I saw a big lightning strike. But dude, this is so, like, loud. Like. Dude. It looks a little, it kind of looks brighter on the camera. Whoa. And on YouTube, you can slow down the video so I can see the lightning, like, slow down. I don't know how Bo got so he's got his doghouse right there. Oh, it's soaked. Yeah, it's crazy. Whoa. This lightning is like lighting up the entire sky. Whoa. Dude, it got crazy, bro. In like just like 10 minutes, it went from it being like this, from it being blue, well, not really blue skies, it just getting close to dark. Was it raining? No, look at this. Oh, actually, no, it was raining. It was sprinkling a little bit. But this is crazy. Yeah, really focus over here, not really over there. But over here. Like right there. Yeah, I don't want to show you out here that much. What's going on back here? Yeah, this place where I keep my balls plugged. But now I have a little back there. It's like pouring down over there. Yo! I stepped in a large puddle, dude. Ugh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to change socks after this. Whoa. Put it right there. Man, 8 minutes already. That's crazy. Yo. Bro, I don't want this video being so long, dude. I think the longest Brixton video was Brixton 6. It was like 10, 11 minutes long. Right, this is not the end of the storm, but I think we saw enough lightning. Anyway, this will leave here. Bye. Alright, let's leave. Bye.